Hey guys, another pair of Judy blue shorts for you. So this one is actually like a hemmed cuff short. So it's a little bit distressed at the top, but you can kind of see it's hemmed up to give that contrast, but it is sewn in place. Super stretchy, and you can see I still have all that extra room around the leg. It's not too tight or fitted, and then super stretchy in the waistband as well. I'm wearing my normal size small, fits exactly the same as all the others, and it's just a really cute blue wash with that contrast cuff detail. So these come in small, medium, large, XL, 1X, 2X, 3X. So for sizing, you're going to use your normal Judy blue sizing. So size small is going to be your 0 through 6. Medium is going to be your 6 through 10. Large is going to be your 10 through 13. And XL is going to be your 13, 15. 1X is going to be your 14 and 16W. 2X is going to be your 18 and 20W. And then 3X is your 20 and 22W. If you don't have Judy blue before, feel free to send us a message so we can help you. You can roughly use those same numbers with normal clothing, as these are so stretchy and versatile. But we're more than happy to help you personally. If you just send us a message, we can help you out. Otherwise, go snatch them up brand new today and crazy comfy.